Okay, this Hampton Inn & Suites, this looks quite new. The Toy Story parking lot is like on the other side of that fence. So we think we're just gonna walk over there and take the shuttle bus, and then we won't have to pay for parking again, since I think we're probably already paying for parking at this hotel. I will show you the room in a little bit. We got this room for free with Hilton Honors Points, 2 nights. Good evening, everyone. This is a tour of our room at the Hampton Inn & Suites Anaheim Resort Convention Center. This is a new hotel to us. It's very close to Disneyland, although looking at it, I wouldn't want to walk it. But I'm going to show you a reason that that's not going to be necessary in a minute. We're here for 2 nights. We got off our cruise on Royal Caribbean's Navigator of the Seas this morning, drove our rental car from the cruise terminal to Disneyland, parked in the parking garage during the day today while we were at Disneyland, Disney California Adventure, and then when we left the park, we drove here. Now we're parked in the hotel parking lot, and that's probably where the car is going to stay until we leave to go back to the airport on the day after tomorrow. This is a nice, big, and reasonably new-looking hotel. I don't know when this was built. It's near the convention center, so it's probably considered technically a type of convention hotel. I don't think it has convention space in it, but it looks like downstairs there's probably a free breakfast because most Hampton Inn & Suites have breakfasts. We are in a regular 2 queen bed room for 2 nights. I do not remember what the price was because I got this room with Hilton Honor points. So I am not paying anything for this room, except I think they probably are charging me for parking. But again, I don't know how much that is for the 2 nights that we're here. But that's going automatically onto my Hilton American Express card. Let me show you around the room. I already showed you a little bit in the public areas. Okay, when you first come in, you're in this space with the wood floor. And again, unfortunately, we have our shared slidey door, which is the kind that you either can close the bathroom, but then the closet is open, or you can have it in front of the closet, but then the bathroom is open. Okay, I'll show you the closet here first. There's a huge safe in the wall. That's the biggest safe I've ever seen in a hotel room ever. Plenty of hangers, extra pillow and extra blanket up on top. Our jackets are already hanging there. There's an iron and an ironing board. And there was a luggage rack in the closet, which we have moved over here and have a suitcase sitting on. Okay, big full-length mirror on the door. And then again, it slides and then would cover the closet, but now your bathroom is open. When I first walked into the bathroom to use it a little bit ago, the light went on automatically. There are 3 hooks here. There is a nice sink with a very big counter space. And I think there's another, light there for the lighted mirror, which is nice. There are Neutrogena products and plenty of towels. The commode. Disappointing to me, but not surprising. A tub shower combo with a curved shower rod. There's a place here to hang a suit, which also indicates to me that they're thinking of this as being for conventioneers who might be going to meetings at the convention center, that they might have a suit with them. Okay, and then there are the 2 rolling ottomans. One that Megan's sitting on, which they do work nicely for seating. They also work nicely for what Megan did with the other one, which is to put a suitcase on it. So those are kind of multi-purpose. There's a big space here. Bought some stuff at Disneyland. coffee stuff here. And then we have 2 queen beds. Oh yeah, and a really fancy
thermostat.
Climate control system, yeah.
It just says everything.
It's got everything on there. Did you guys turn it down or did it kick in automatically? Okay. So we've got the 2 queen beds here with the 1 solid, we've seen this before, no drawer or anything. I really appreciate that Hampton always gives us an alarm clock. There's a phone here. There's just 1 USB. Ben, what is this weird switch?
Are there hotels that don't have alarm clocks?
Yes.
Oh, it's to turn it off.
Including all the ones at Disney World.
Oh.
So you can't use it.
Okay.
Why did they put a USB here?
I don't know. That is kind of weird. And then there are 2 individual reading. Ooh, and it's dark. Reading lamps. Okay, and then there's a big thing. Can somebody open the doors for me? Okay, on this side we have a microwave and the ice bucket. I'm freezing now. The ice bucket and the cups and those pull-out rack drawers. And then over here we have the fridge. Okay. Big TV. Lots of our stuff on there. And then over here, this end is meant like it's a desk. And there's a desk lamp and there's a nice desk chair. And there's another big mirror over the desk, big round mirror. And then this is what I wanted to show you. Turn this up, would you? It's really cold. Okay. Yeah, try that. Out the window here, and I know it's hard to see because of the reflection because it's nighttime. Our rental car is parked down there a little ways. But look at all those buses over there. Can you see that? Guys, turn the lamps off a second. Oh, first I have to show you this way. Check out the pool placement. That's the awning, like to drive under to come to the front door, to go into the lobby, and above it is a pool and there's a hot tub over there too. If it wasn't like 50 degrees outside, we'd probably get some use out of that, but it's really cold outside. But then look over there. That is the Toy Story parking lot.
Right there.
Right there on the other side of that fence. And those are the buses that take you back and forth to Disneyland. So we're totally gonna do that. I just asked the guy down in the lobby, can we just walk over to the Toy Story parking lot and take their buses? And he's like, yep. So that's what we're gonna do. This seems like quite a nice hotel, and if you have something going on at the Anaheim Convention Center or you're visiting Disneyland, I think this would work for either. It does have more of a businessy feel, don't you think?
I agree.
Yeah, it has more of a businessy adult feel. Doesn't have a real family-friendly kind of feel. So it's not that you couldn't stay here with kids. I just think
I wouldn't recommend it.
You wouldn't recommend it? Yeah, I think it's just that there's other options that are probably more kid-friendly. But if you're going to something at the convention center, I would definitely recommend this. And it seems big. It's got 5 floors, high ceilings, plenty of parking, and hope that this video helps you if you're going to be staying in Anaheim sometime and are interested in another place option to stay. This is now the 3rd hotel we've showed you in Anaheim in the past year. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave those down below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful or interesting at all, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to make sure not to miss any of our upcoming travel content, including lots of cruise content that's coming, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Have a great day, everyone, and safe travels.
Safe travels.